Ethereum is looking very exciting right now. We have a perfect storm of the technicals lining up with all of these bullish catalysts that we see coming through for Ethereum, which show that Ethereum could be ready for a big breakout basically at any time now. In this video, I will show you the charts that I am watching that make me believe that Ethereum is about to steal the spotlight. My name is Lark, and this is where you subscribe for all of the hottest and all of latest happening out here in the crazy markets. Also remember that if you want a safe and easy way to earn a passive income on your Ethereum as well as other top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and USDC dollar stablecoins, then you need to get a BlockFi account. You can earn 5.25% on Ethereum, 6% on Bitcoin, 8.6% on dollars. And as a special bonus, you'll get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus when signing up using the link down below in the description. BlockFi is my preferred crypto lender. I've been using them for like a year and a half now, and I absolutely love it, and I'm sure that you will love their service too. So go ahead and check it out down below. Now let's talk about Ethereum. I believe that right now, ETH is on the cusp of an incredible breakout. So let me share my reasoning why I believe this is the case. First, let me show you this. Now this is a chart showing searches for Ethereum. In the past, this chart has been a leading indicator for price movements. Now the average time between when we see a massive spike in Google searches, when we see Ethereum trending, and then for a massive spike in the price of Ethereum has usually been around a week. And guess what? Ethereum searches spiked to a new high about a week ago. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Also, I think what has been very notable this bull run is that while Bitcoin has more than doubled versus its previous all-time high over like the last 4 or 6 weeks, is that Ethereum is still below its previous all-time high. And this is particularly noteworthy considering that the usage statistics for Ethereum are at an all-time high. The number of new addresses, the number of addresses with non-zero balances, the number of daily transactions on Ethereum, the total value being settled on chain on Ethereum, the number of developers on Ethereum, the number of applications being built on Ethereum, the number of users actually using those applications in like DeFi and stuff like that, all at all-time highs. Total value locked in DeFi, all this stuff, etc., etc., etc. And if we take a look at the charts, they're also showing a very bullish picture for Ethereum. First, let's look at the ETH BTC chart. Now, this is a thing of beauty. This is the weekly chart we're looking at here. Now, Ethereum has been in a downtrend versus Bitcoin for about 3.5 years. We are right now attempting to break that downtrend. Now, if we see a green candle closing above the green line on the chart here, then it is go time for Ethereum. That would signal a massive breakout of the multi-year downtrend. And just like happened with Bitcoin when it broke out from its massive multi-year downtrend, I fully expect that we're going to see Ethereum rallying super hard. Oh, and we can add this little line here on the bottom of this chart, and ooh, what do we have now? This is very interesting looking indeed. So this Ethereum Bitcoin pair has been forming just this incredibly massive triangle for 3.5 freaking years. This triangle is now closing in on its terminal point. Now this means that we could see Ethereum doubling or even tripling versus Bitcoin, possibly more if we get a successful breakout happening here. Again, we need to see a green candle confirming above the top line on the chart here to confirm that we are indeed getting a breakout from this pattern. To be fair though, we are still a few months away from hitting the end point of this. We could break out at any time between now and then. But if we do fail to get a breakout candle now, then this could mean that you may have a situation where you might have one more chance to buy Ethereum on the line of support here. So if we see a big Bitcoin breakout happening and it kind of pushes the ratio between these two pairs down, then keep an eye out for that possibility. And by looking at that line of support, probably one of your last best chances to get ETH before the big breakout. Oh, and the Ethereum Bitcoin pair on the weekly has just had a bullish MACD crossover as well, showing again just really more confluence for a potential breakout to be happening here. Now, taking a quick peek at the Ethereum dollar pairing, we can also see something very exciting that's about to happen. Ethereum is looking to break an all-time high versus the dollar. Now, we're currently 11% under the all-time high for Ethereum versus the dollar, meaning that we need to see Ethereum cross over $1,448 to crack that new all-time high. That is the top of the blue box on the chart here that you see. Now, we did have a failed attempt to break over, to hit that new all-time high on the 10th of January. That was obviously rejected. Since that time, Ethereum has been consolidating, and oh, what is it doing right now? Well, it's forming this just nice freaking little ascending triangle, which is again a bullish breakout pattern. Now, the implied upside target from this breakout is around $1,650. So that would be really awesome to see. That would set a new all-time high for Ethereum and also set us up for a broader bullish breakout, considering it would just be, invalidating all these old areas of resistance and all that stuff. That could easily see Ethereum doubling in price in the space of just a few weeks, much like happened with Bitcoin when it finally smashed its all-time high. Again, we need to see a confirmation of this happening before you jump into a trade or something like that on this, but if we see a daily candle closing over $1,300, then watch out, because that would be the confirmation we need. This could happen in the next couple of days, so let's keep our eyes on this. And this is all happening, by the way, just a few weeks before we see the CME listing Ethereum Futures contracts, giving institutions easy access to Ethereum price exposure. And if you are buying now, then you are essentially front-running all of those institutions who are about to start piling into Ethereum. The CME Futures are going to drive a lot of new interest, new speculation, new eyes on Ethereum. And seeing Ethereum breaking new highs before this event, to me, seems like an increasingly likely scenario. But hey, those are just my two gwei for the day. What do you think? Are we about to see Ethereum breaking out to a new all-time high in the next few days? Or is it just going to keep teasing us? Just keep teasing us. Stop teasing us, Ethereum. Just do it, man. Just do it. Anyway, let me know your opinion down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.